Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to change the sky color in CapCut. So here I've already have a main video and I want to change its sky color. So what you need to do is go to overlay and add a sky, another color, another video of sky like this. Then you can go fit the size and go to mask, then choose split. Then you can just choose which part of the video that you want to. Then after that, click on a check icon. Then you can just fit the size and place the sky like this, for example. And then you need to go to splice and then choose which one that you think fits your video the best. Okay, I'm going to use this one. Then you can just adjust the opacity. I'm going to go to mask again to apps to make it more natural. You can drag the edges to have some blur effect like this. Then you can just click on a check icon and now you get that different sky color in your video. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.